Hello everyone, it's me, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and I'm extremely excited to give you a tour of the intriguing world of asset management. Are you curious to know what exactly an asset is? Or perhaps you're keen on understanding the difference between tangible and intangible assets? Stick around because we're not only going to answer these questions, but also delve into the significance of maintenance management in ensuring that your assets continue to generate profit. We'll even touch upon the role technology plays in advancing the way we handle asset management data and highlight the top asset management certifications. So let's dive right in. An asset, in its simplest form, is any resource an organization owns, controls, and uses to generate profit. Assets can be tangible, like machinery and facilities, or intangible, such as patents or stocks. They generally fall into two categories, tangible and intangible. Tangible assets are physical resources a business uses to generate revenue. These include fixed assets like buildings, land, and equipment. Intangible assets, however, are not physical. They encompass things like intellectual property, including copyrights and patents, and financial assets like stocks and accounts receivable. Maintenance management is primarily concerned with tangible fixed assets, such as buildings, furniture, tools and equipment, machinery, and land. Each of these assets plays a crucial role in generating profit for an organization. Managing and tracking these fixed assets is essential to ensure they continue to generate profit and don't become a liability. This is particularly important in sectors where complex, expensive machines play a vital role. Failing to maintain equipment properly often results in unplanned downtime, which can reduce productivity by up to 20% while increasing the odds of fatal accidents. But by implementing asset tracking software and proactive maintenance management processes, you can reduce downtime and improve profitability. Asset management is defined as a system of activities that an organization performs to gain value from assets. This includes the design, maintenance, operation, and even disposal of assets throughout their life cycle. And to help define this broad term, we have the international standard ISO 55000. It provides guidelines on asset management and breaks down general concepts into common practices that can be applied to various assets across different organizations. While asset management often refers to the utilization of tangible assets, it can also refer to intangible assets that hold significant value for an organization. Examples of these intangible assets include human resources, information systems, and financial assets. In the world of asset management, data is king. Asset management procedures are formed around data obtained throughout the organization. Technology has played a pivotal role in advancing the way we collect and interpret this data. For instance, sensors can now be deployed throughout a facility, coupled with software that can track and analyze real-time equipment data. There are different types of asset management software depending on their features. It can be as simple as a work order software that generates workflows for maintenance procedures. More complex tools like computerized maintenance management software and enterprise asset management software systems can track each piece of equipment you have. They can provide useful information such as performance data, maintenance schedules, and even overall asset value. Let's talk about the top asset management certifications. These include the Certified Asset Management Practitioner, the Certified Asset Management Assessor, the Institute of Asset Management Certificate, and the Institute of Asset Management Diploma. These programs recognize asset management professionals who have advanced training and education in the field. The Certified Asset Management Practitioner, or CAMP, designation requires professionals to complete study and an examination through the Asset Management Professional Certificate Program. The Certified Asset Management Assessor designation covers ISO 5500X standards, the relevant GFMAM competency specification, and other key areas. The Institute of Asset Management Certificate is designed for those new to asset management, while the Institute of Asset Management Diploma is a more advanced preparation for professionals with prior asset management training and experience. So whether you're dealing with tangible or intangible assets, remember that effective asset management is key to maximizing profitability and minimizing liability. And that wraps up our tour of asset management. We've covered what assets are, the difference between tangible and intangible assets, the importance of maintenance management, the role of technology, and the top asset management certifications. We hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you want to learn more about how Upkeep can help your organization manage its assets more effectively, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.